I think so. Last class we discussed something. Can you revise if you don't mind? Are you able to see my screen also? Can you see? Screen. Are you able to see my screen? Okay, fine. Thank you. Please revise last class. Percentage composition, I think so I started. If you revise, then you can close today. Empirical formula and molecular formulas concept. Please do that. Okay, now your revision completed. If you revise last class, then you can continue your class. I think so. What's the last concept to discuss? What's the last concept? Okay, we didn't give any problem. Huh? Is it correct? Did you got any problem I given? We done? At least one problem, one or two? Okay, fine. Good. Hmm. Shall we do directly empirical formula, molecular formula problems? Shall we start at least one problem? Okay, we can start with one example. So target is And I'm giving what we are going to do first, brief idea. Is it a given carbon percentage of carbon equal to like that we given or not? Didn't given, again I will give. Okay, given means we can go further. That's only. Okay, fine. I think so. I given here Lebig's method. Organic compound, you can take any one organic compound. There is some student they are telling already we given. So if we given means we can go further. That's fine. Okay. If unnecessarily time waste, we are giving same thing again. Even we are going little bit slow. That's why. Okay, fine. Good. Shall we do directly empirical formula or molecular formula? This side we can do sir empirical formula or molecular formula directly. We can find one more example if following that one. Okay. I'm going to discuss with empirical formula, molecular formula. If any concept is required, in that process only I'm going to discuss. If you do 2 or 3 problems, you can understand. All these are simple things. Previous days, we don't have any technology. So that's why they are following old methods. This is first they are finding percentage of element. Okay, any element, sir. Percentage of element they are finding. From that, they are finding empirical formula. Once you know empirical formula, from that they are finding molecular formula. So this is the way they are doing one by one. So percentage of element, how to calculate, last class we discussed. From that we need to find out empirical formula. From that molecular formula. I hope already given molecular formula equal to empirical formula into n. Is it correct? Molecular formula equal to empirical formula into n we given. I think so. How to find out n also I given formula? Please look into your notes. We can find. So now our target is if they given percentage or weight, both are same, sir. If they given weight or percentage means into 100 only. Is it correct? Or mass they given, mass or weight. From that you need to find out empirical formula. From that molecular formula. This is our target. And these are old methods. These are all our old methods. But new methods is spectroscopy is there, mass bar spectroscopy. If you find any new medicine or new compound, what they contain compositions means in that medicine what is the chemicals they present, carbon, hydrogen, anything they present or not. That's decided by mass spectrometry or mass spectroscopy. If we keep that molecule in that case, in that instrument, that will analyze. Okay, they have some coding like signals. They will provide some code way. That way we can detect that one. If you decode the things, you can find out formula of the compound. That process you are going to be study later when you are studying purely science. You are going to be studying. Clear? Are my screen is visible or not? Is it visible my screen? Okay, fine. Still now I didn't write. Only this much I wrote. Now I am going to be discuss empirical formula how to calculate. That's only I am going to discuss. I have some steps. The steps we need to follow step by step. Please be ready to note down the step by step you can do with respect to one problem. From that you can find everything. Okay. If possible, try to note down one problem. Our target is empirical formula. Sorry. First priority, we are going to be calculate empirical formula of the compound. From that molecular formula, I am going to be calculate. So this is my target. So first step is empirical formula. So I am going to be calculate empirical formula. Please find empirical formula. In this case, some process is a step by step. That's we can do. Can you note down if possible one small sentence or one question? I will give that data also, sir. I will give that data. From that also you can find. Please note down. A monobasic acid containing nitrogen, hydrogen and oxygen. Only this they contain, sir. Give the percentage composition of weight as percentage composition of weight of nitrogen 22.22% and hydrogen. I note down question only data. Hydrogen 1.59. This is simply question, sir. Determine the molecular formula of the compound. Determine the molecular formula or empirical formula, sir. Anyway, we can find out first empirical formula, not molecular formula. You can write if both are same. Find the empirical formula. Array here only 3 elements is there. I given 2 percentages. Remaining should be oxygen if you want. Oxygen equal to 100 minus all these percentages. Okay, which is 22.2 plus 1.59. If you take this is, we'll get oxygen percentage. That's the given 76.19. So only 3 elements is there. They will provide only data of 2 elements and remaining is 100 minus that one. So this is the question data they provided. From this we need to find out empirical formula. This is very simple. Only 3 steps. Once one example completed, remaining you can do very well. So this is the problem, sir. I think you noted down very few letters only here. Now I am going to be solve that one. Please don't ask again second slide. If possible, note down very fast. I wrote very few sentences. So question is determine empirical formula. Yes. Step 1, sir. Here. Step 1, write carbon. Sorry, nitrogen here we given. Right, nitrogen What is the next element, sir? Hydrogen, oxygen. We are doing step 1. Write corresponding percentages which is the given, sir. 22.22, 1.59 and carbon 76.19. First write step 1 percentages. And step 2. Divide with atomic masses. Array, note down that sentence. Please note down sentences. Okay. Divide with atomic masses. Second step, sir, this is atomic mass. So very simple. 22.22 by what is the nitrogen atomic mass? 14. Hydrogen, sir. How much hydrogen atomic mass? 1. Oxygen 76.19 by 16. Clear? This is a step 2. What is the values you are getting here? How much will you get, sir, value here? I think so. Here also approximately 1.59. Here also 1.59. This is 4.76. Clear? And step 3. Divide with smallest value all the values, sir. Which you are getting values here. Among these, which is the smallest value? With that, divide every value. Please note down that sentence. We have to divide among this, which is the smallest value. With that, everyone. Okay. Someone that they told 76.41. Okay, fine, sir. Which is okay. Note down that is 76.41. They are telling. Okay, finally, approximate value will get, but exact value you are doing, that is good, sir. So, what the step 3? Can note down sentence. We have to divide with the smallest value again with every element. Fine. Now I am doing here. 1.59 is the smallest value. I am dividing with 1.59 with all the values. Or you can do again problems. 4.76 divided by 1.59. So this is approximately 3, sir. This is 1 approximately. This is approximately 1. So how many hydrogens? 1. How many nitrogens? 1. How many oxygens? 3. So empirical formula of the compound is H1N1O3. Nothing but HNO3 is the empirical formula. What we done step by step? Please look that one. First I wrote percentages if they given, otherwise weight they given. I can write weight divided by with respect to their atomic mass. Then will get some value. From that which is the smallest value, again I am dividing to get integer values. Simple thing. Okay, simple numbers. Up to that you have to do this process. Even after doing, if we are not getting simple numbers are here, again multiply with suitable number. Or 2.9, you can take 3 approximately. If 2.5, 2 point something is there, then you can multiply with again some other number. Shall we do one more problem? One more problem. Okay, you can try one more problem, sir. Right, please note down. This is, I'm giving one more question. Please note down. Zero point And I am writing values only. Remaining sentence you need to write 0.2012 grams of an organic compound containing grams of an organic compound containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Gave on complete combustion All right. Gave on complete combustion 0.4431 grams of CO2, 0.1462 grams of water H2O. The molecular weight of the compound is the molecular weight of the compound is 100. Find out empirical and molecular formula. Find out empirical formula and molecular formula. Clear? So we have an organic compound. Note down just briefly. We have 0.2012 grams of organic compound. Its combustion gives 0.4431 grams of CO2, 0.1462 grams of H2O. So molecular weight of the compound they given 100. Calculate empirical formula and molecular formula. This is the main theme. Even if you are missing sentence doesn't matter here. First listen how to solve this question. Clear? Our target is we have to find out how much carbon is there, how much hydrogen is there, how much oxygen. If I find these two, automatically oxygen I can find out by subtracting. Clear? But here CO2 weight they are given, sir, not carbon weight. So I need to calculate carbon weight, not CO2. Here H2O weight they are given. From this I need to calculate hydrogen weight. Are you getting my point? So what we done steps are here. First we calculated a percentage or weight of the element, divide with atomic mass, then simplest ratio. Same way here, I need to calculate weight of carbon, weight of hydrogen, then dividing with atomic masses. After that, I will get, sir, which is requirement. Now we can see steps. We know that one CO2. Okay, its molecular weight is 44 grams. Is it correct? It contains how much, sir? 12 grams of carbon. Is it correct? Then how much CO2 they given, sir? The question they given 0.4431 grams of carbon dioxide contain how many grams of CO2? X value. So X equal to 12 into 0.4431 divided by 44. So how much will get, sir? It's approximately 0.1208 grams. So I find carbon weight. Similarly, I need to find out hydrogen weight also. They given hydrogen weight, water weight how much, sir? We know that one 18 grams of water contain how many grams of hydrogen? 2 grams of hydrogen. Then in the question, how much they are given weight of water? 0.1462 grams. It contain how much? So x equal to 2 into 0.1462 divided by 18 equal to how much? 0.0162. 0.0162 grams of hydrogen. Clear? So now we can find out, sir. We have total organic compound weight is how much? Total organic compound weight 0. So now I am calculating oxygen weight. So total organic compound equal to 0.2. This is the total weight of organic compound minus weight of hydrogen, weight of carbon. That's nothing but remaining is oxygen weight. Weight of carbon how much, sir? 0.1208 plus 0.0162. To do this one, you will get oxygen weight is 0.0642. So this is oxygen weight. So finally, I got carbon weight, oxygen weight, hydrogen weight. Yes, extra mass created by after combustion only. Correct. That is correct. Because adding oxygen extra, so you will get automatically extra mass. Array, I'm repeating again how to calculate. Please listen one more time. Array, who are not understanding, please listen one more time. I'm giving explanation. So don't sleep. Please listen. We know according to generally 44 grams of CO2 contain 12 grams of carbon. In the question they are given something CO2 0.4431 grams. It contain how much carbon? I calculated. I got this the weight of carbon. Same way, H2O 18 grams contain 2 grams of hydrogen. But in the question they are given this much water. So this much water contain how much hydrogen? I find. If total only 3 elements, I can find total weight minus carbon hydrogen weight. Total weight of carbon, sorry, total weight of organic compound 0.2012 minus total weight of carbon plus hydrogen. Now I got all the weights, sir. Now we have to follow these steps. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Write step 1. What is the elements are here? Here, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. You can write. What is the carbon weight? 0.1208. Or you can try if you are, once you understood the process, you can try, sir. This is 0.0162. Next, oxygen 0.0642. And step 2, we have to divide with their atomic masses. So 0.1208. Or if you know, then please do you can yourself. 0.0162 divided by 1. 0.0642 by how much, sir? Oxygen 16. Then can you calculate how much you'll get? I think so. This is 0.01, sir. You can do 0.01. This is 0.0162. Here 0.04. Which is the smallest value here? Can you find? Step 3. Which is the smallest value? 0.01 or 0.004. I think so 0.004 is the smallest value. Divide with smallest value, all the values. Fine. What the values are here approximately? 2.5. Here 8 or sorry, how much sir? 4.05, or you can take 4. 4.05 or 4 you can take sir, and this is 1. But 2.5 is not integer. So we need to multiply to get integer. So I'm multiplying everything value is step 4 sir. Step 4. Well, multiplying dividing with 2. Sorry, multiplying with 2 sir, everything. So 2.5 into 2, 5. Anyway, 4 into approximately 4 into 2, 8. We are multiplying into 2 sir. Last one, 1 into 2, 2. So carbons how much sir? C5, empirical formula equal to C5 H8O2. This is the empirical formula. How to find out Mackler formula sir? Mackler formula equal to empirical formula into N. So N equal to Mackler formula mass by empirical formula mass. Already we given these formulas. Can you try empirical formula weight how much sir? Calculate weight of this compound. Even this also we got approximately 100 C5H8. So empirical formula mass also 100. Mackler formula mass also 100 they given in the question. So N equal to 1 you will get sir. 100 by 100. 1. So empirical formula equal to Mackler formula nothing but C5H8O2 sir. This is your final answer. Some people are asking why sir we are multiplying into 2. Yes, fine sir. Suppose we are not multiplying, we have to write C2.5, hydrogen 4, oxygen 1. But we never write sir like these formulas. We need simplest formula, simplest number. If I are dividing with 2, all doesn't matter. That number not going to be changed. If you are multiplying every atom into 2, doesn't matter. No, that is all are equal only. So, but we have to get formula is in terms of simple numbers, not fractions. That is the reason we are multiplying into 2. Any other? You can ask any other doubt, sir. Array 4.05, not 4.5. That is wrong, sir. 4.05 means you can neglect 5.5. That's your mistake. Print mistake. You are doing mistake. Not 4.5, 4.05. Okay. How we got empirical formula mass is 100, sir. Please calculate. C5H8 is the empirical formula. Can you calculate Mackler weight? C5, 5 into 12 plus 8 plus 2 into 16. Can you calculate this weight, sir? Total weight. Empirical formula mass. C5 H8O2. Can you calculate? Any other? Let 2.5 into 3. How can you get integer? 2.5 into 2 means we'll get 5, na? Array, if you want, you can take percentage also, doesn't matter here. Again, you can get same thing. If you want to get percentage, take which is you are getting weight by total weight already they given 0.22 into 100 you can get. So it doesn't matter, sir. Again, you will get same thing. Molecular formula mass, they will give an examination that is proved by experimentally. Okay. Molecular formula mass, they will provide in examination by giving experimentally. Clear? Or they are using different methods. We don't want find that is. All the time you won't get same. Okay. That going to be changed. We can do at least one problem like that way, different things. H equal to you got 2 means you done wrong, sir. Because every step I done in front of you. Is it correct? Every step we done in front of you only here. We are getting hydrogen is 2 means that is wrong. See, step 1, step 2, step 3. First we got all these weights. Then dividing by 12, dividing by 1, this is 16. Then do sir, calculate this one. Here we are getting 2.5. Here I am getting 4.05. Here 1. I am multiplying with 2 to get simplest number. That's only we done. Okay, we can do one more problem. If you are allowing to dictate that one more problem, we can do. We can get, if you are doing 2 to 3 problems, we'll get very clear, sir. I don't think first example only you can get everything. See, next example, at least who are not getting, those people you can get, most of the people you can understand. O2 mass in terms of carbon dioxide, water. Okay, I am taking whatever reactant mass of carbon equal to product mass also. That's why we are taking here 44 grams contain. This is 12 grams. Then what is the weight of? So which is extra weight we are getting 0.4, but initially I took only 0.2 grams, not 0.2012. But how you got carbon dioxide this much? That's already inbuilt oxygen is present already inbuilt. You don't worry that one. Already inbuilt oxygen is present. See, reactant mass this is, and product mass we are getting too much, means that already inbuilt extra oxygen which you are giving that is present. If I done any mistake, please find. What is the value we are getting here? 0.04 or 0.04? I think 0.04. Can you calculate? Whatever value we are getting, smallest value, divide with that, we can get answer. We can do one more problem. I think so. We done steps only. You have to find how to use that steps. You can see one more problem. If you take easy or little bit difficult problem, that depends upon user. Right, one question. Right, sir, one, this question, please try to understand. If you done this question, almost we can clear all your doubts. Right, note down starting onwards. Please note down starting onwards. The active ingredient, the active ingredient, the active ingredient right, you can try one more problem. Take seriously, okay? I will show all slides. You can take screenshot. At least if you are doing, you can get more understanding. If you are doing 10 problems, you'll get more clarity. If you are doing more, means still more clarity. That depends upon number of problems. Don't expect first problem everything I can understand. If some people they can understand very good, that is. By doing one more problem, still you get more perfect. Please find that is. Please try to understand. Right. The active ingredient in chocolate, chocolate, sir, chocolate, whatever pronunciation, chocolate is writing that is theobromine, bromine, theobromine, THEOBRO, bromine, theobromine. The active ingredient in chocolate is theobromine. A sample was analyzed. A sample was analyzed. A sample was analyzed and determined to be composed of. Determined to be composed of. Determined to be composed of. And now data I am giving, the data more important. From the data only you are solving problem, not from sentence. Please find. The active ingredient in chocolate is theobromine. A sample was analyzed and determined to be composed of. Right. Carbon they given weight 147 grams. Okay. And hydrogen they given 14 grams. Next, oxygen they given 56 grams. And nitrogen they given 98 grams. Array, already I provided weight. Now we don't want to do anything, sir. Just find empirical formula process. Already given weights, everything. Just follow the steps and give answer. Can you find empirical formula? Please find empirical formula. Steps, just you have to follow steps only. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen. Array, theobromine is compound name, not bromine that is. That may contain, but theobromine is a compound name, common name that is. Don't expect bromine is there. Which is the given elements. Please find weights they given. Apply the procedure. You can find. Now our concept is how to calculate empirical formula. Our concept is how to find out empirical formula. Can you write here whatever they given weights and dividing with what the steps? 4 steps. Can you apply? At least I need one answer, sir, from all the students. Almost here, how many people is there? You will see how many people there will correct answer. Array 224 people is there. At least I need to get exactly few answers perfectly, sir. Please find. Anyone got answer? C7 H8. Sorry, what you got, sir? H8 or H2? H8 O2 N4. Very good. Some people they get correct answer, sir. Exactly. How is that people to Divya Prabha and Prapanch something name is there? KNMS both they provide correct answer, sir. Yes, yes, very good, sir. Saifa Abhinay, sir. Abhinay also they given. Yeah, good, sir. Shubhan. Right, most of it they are giving good correct answer. Very good, sir. Very good. Too good, too good. Just right there. Wait, sir. What they given? 147 here. And then what is the thing, sir? Hydrogen 14, 56, and 98. This is step 1. Step 2. Just divide with their atomic masses, sir. 147 by 12, 14 by 1, 56 by 16, 98 by 14. How much will you get, sir, here? 3.5. Is it correct? Any other? Sorry, different. Think so. Yes. Array given mostly correct, sir. All people. Same question. I'm asking one more point. Can you do that same question, sir? Same question. I'm asking one more point. Please find that one. Yes, correct, sir. You are doing correct only 12.3. Then divide all, which is smallest value you are getting. Again, divide that one. Array, which you are getting carbons. Then again divide with smallest value. Which you are getting. Then finally you will get answer. I'm continuing same question, sir. One more I'm asking. Calculate percentage composition of each element. Same question. Calculate percentage composition of each element. Can you find? Calculate percentage composition of each element. Or mass percentage. How to calculate mass percentage or percentage composition? I hope you can find out, sir. Weight of carbon by, suppose you need percentage of carbon. Weight of carbon by total weight into 100. Is it correct? So percentage means weight of that component by total weight of the compound. How much total weights are here? Add all 4 into 100. Like that you can find out. Any other doubts? Yes, very good. Carbon percentage already they given. Okay. They're asking percentage of carbon, sir. I am doing again. Percentage of carbon equal to how much? Weight of carbon by total weight. Weight of, otherwise right, total weight into 100. So what is the weight of carbon? 147 by total weight how much, sir? 147 plus. Or you can ask if you are not getting, sir. No issue. That is, you are right. That is, you need to ask. 14 plus 56 plus 98. This is the total weight. Add all these things into 100. This is the percentage of carbon. Then can you find percentage of hydrogen? Same thing. Hydrogen weight how much are here? 14. 14 by 147 plus 14 plus 56 plus 98 into 100. Clear? So same way we can do oxygen and remaining elements. Correct, correct. Once anyway, I need all your percentage. Please give provide. I'm taking, sir, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen. What is the first percentage of carbon? How much you got? 46 point. Can I take 46.66? Is it correct? Hydrogen 4.4. Nitrogen 17.77. Oxygen 31.11. Array, how did you got percentage? You understood? No? Please let me know if you are not getting. Previously one student they asked, sir, how to calculate percentage. So this is a percentage. Once you got percentage, again you can start, sir, your own method. That is step 1. Step 1, divide. And I am giving different methods. Any method you can follow, no issue that is. If you calculate percentage composition of each element, then divide with their atomic masses. 6 by 12. 4.44 by 1. 17.77 by 14. 31.11 by 16. So we'll get here approximately this is 3.5. This is 4.44. Here how much, sir? 1, 2. Is it correct? Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Or you can find percentage composition, then you can proceed. After that, simplest step again multiply, then get answer. Any process you can follow, no issue, sir. You can do. Okay, I given anything percentage is wrong. Okay, nitrogen and oxygen interchange. Sorry. I think so. This is oxygen. This is nitrogen. Please note down if people are doing good. Again by mistakenly this is 4. 14. Correct, sir. I am giving process. Just I am giving process. What is the process I given, sir? First you can find percentage composition. Then step 1, divide with atomic masses. Step 3, if any like this way numbers came, again you can multiply into some suitable number. Then that is your empirical formula. Clear? I am giving one more question for you. One more question. Easiest question I will give, sir. Next question is easy question I am going to give. Easy one. Please find. I am going to give easy question, sir. Next one. Please find, sir. Next question. Combustion of. Note down. Combustion of 6.38 grams of an organic compound. Grams of an organic compound containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. gives 9.06 grams of CO2, gives 9.06 grams of CO2 and 5.58 grams of water. Determine the empirical formula of the compound. Determine the empirical formula of the compound. If you want, you can find percentage here also, sir. Nothing is going to be wrong. Either you can find weight or percentage, which is your comfort, you can do that one. Are someone there asking final answer? If you find final answer, empirical formula of the compound is CH3O. Empirical formula CH3O. If anyone you got, just find. Yes, sir, we can do all these answers. If you want, I can solve this question. Alright, given this is CO2, how to find out percentage of CO2 or weight of CO2, sir? We know very well 44 grams contain 12 grams of CO2. Then how much CO2 they given, sir? 9.06 they given. How much you will get, sir? That is the X of carbon. What is the carbon weight we are getting here? 2.47 grams. Same thing you can apply for water also. 18 grams of water contain 2 grams of hydrogen. Then 5.58 grams of water contain how much? X. What is the X value, sir? Can do this is you can find 0.62 grams. So total weight from 6.3438 we can subtract weight of carbon and weight of hydrogen, then you'll get oxygen. Once you got weight, you want you can do percentage into 100, otherwise you can divide steps, step by step you'll get your answer. Anyone you got? CS3O is the answer, sir. Anyone you got? Oxygen 3.29. Very good, correct. Sorry, oxygen 3.29 only, na? Why I given anything wrong? No. Oxygen how much? 3.29. Very good, sir. Correct. Oxygen. Then once you got all, can you try? Empirical formula. Again, step by step. Again, same thing, right? What we given, sir, here? Carbon, oxygen, hydrogen. Carbon weight how much, sir? 2.47. Oxygen 3.29. 0.62. Step 1. And step 2. Divide with atomic masses. 2.47 by 12. 3.29 by how much, sir? 16. 0.62 by 1. How much will get here? Number. This is what's the value we are getting here? Simplest number. How much, sir? 0.2 something you are getting. Get value which is the smallest value. Again take out of 3 which is the smallest value, divide everyone, then you will get your answer. Array, now we make and take break. If you have doubts, please wait. We will discuss. If remaining people you can leave. Take break. Let's try to solve few problems. I am giving 3 problems, I think so. 3 we given. And remaining try to get. If you solving anywhere problems, if you are not getting answers, please pass through WhatsApp. I will give answers. Array, now some people are asking previously some doubts, slides number something. Please can you find any doubts? Array, given for this question, step 2 they given. From that at least you can find. This is 4th question or 3rd question how to do step 2 onwards. Final answer I given already. CH3O. Array, I'm coming from. Take screenshots if possible. This already we explained. That's why I'm giving again back. Slide 2. One problem I given. I think so. If they given percentage, how to calculate empirical formula. So I followed that one step by step. Step 1, I wrote percentage of each element. Array, if you are confusing anything, just write percentage of each element you can calculate. Okay. Then divide with atomic masses. Then okay, that is also correct. Step 1, write percentages. Then divide with atomic masses. Step 2, which we are getting simplest number after solving. Along with that one, again you can divide. You will get some simplest numbers. Fourth one, I think we got answer only. Fifth slide, again I given one more problem. This is the organic compound weight and carbon dioxide weight I given, water weight I given. Then we are going to be find molecular formula or empirical formula. Okay. So now we can see how what we done. So I am finding first carbon dioxide carbon percentage 0.4431 grams of 44 grams carbon dioxide contain 12 grams. Then 0.4431 contain how much? Clear? Then you can get X value. X value how much, sir? 0. This is actual total weight, I think so. This is 0. Okay, 0.128. This is the carbon weight. Then I tried with water also. 18 grams contain 2 grams. Then 0.1462 contain how much? All these are vegetable calculations. 10 equal to 10 contain 2. Then 0 point something. We are science students, that's why points we are taking. So 1 kilo equal to 20 rupees. Then means 1 kilo, I assume that one. 12 mangoes is 100 rupees. Then what is the one mango value? Like that, 18 grams contain 2 grams of hydrogen. Then this much contain how much? All these are vegetable calculations. Any other? Slides again, I am doing same way. Once I got all the weights, then we are dividing with atomic masses. We got simplest number. If that is not integer, again we need to multiply with suitable number. What you need to get, sir? Prajesh, I think so. What you didn't understand, sir? Let me know. Last question, empirical formula CH3O. Last question, empirical formula CH3O, sir. Fine. Suppose that is not integer, then you have to multiply into 2, sir. That's only. Slide 7, I got here 2.5, then 4 and 1. But this is not the integer, 2.5. So I am going to multiply all the numbers into 2. I will get simplest number. That's your answer. That is the slide 8 completely. Any other? Array, now you may can get assignment, sir. Maybe I will provide some assignment questions. Soon I am going to be provide. You need to solve and you can ask doubts. Clear? Actually, still we didn't start actual lesson. That is the reason we are not giving. But 1 or 2 classes completed, we'll get one worksheet that may contain 20-25 questions. You have to solve and you have to send their solutions. Percentage, how to find out? Array, given weight by total weight into 100. That is a percentage. Okay. Suppose here you need to find out carbon percentage. Take weight of carbon by total weight of the elements. That is the into 100. Weight of, I am giving here formula. Weight of carbon by total weight. Total weight of all the elements into 100. Suppose array out of 100 people, 20 people only they are qualifying some exam. How much percentage they qualified, sir? Suppose out of 100 people, 20 people they qualified, means how much percentage? You have to take who are qualified by total people into 100. That is the percentage. Like that, same. If I'm asking compound means weight of that compound by total weight into 100. Any other? See, weight of carbon by total weight into 100 is the percentage. So weight of carbon already I know that one. Then weight of hydrogen you can solve, you can get. Then remaining you can try hydrogen, nitrogen also. Any other slide? Weight and mass both are same. For chemicals there is no gravity effect. Weight or mass you can take same. Weight or mass you can take same, sir. No issue. Yes, we have to use percentage of mass to calculate empirical formula. But sometimes without using percentage also we can do. We are avoiding one step because that is going to take too much time. If we are able to find, we can do, sir. No issue that is. But process is always you have to find out percentage, then you can do 3 steps, 3 or 4 steps. Please send, suppose you are not getting anything, I will say at least 1 or 2 questions I will send, question and solution also. If you are able to understand, you can try. Seeker, they provided packages or modules, anything still now for some basic concepts? You got any material? Did you got any material from seekers? No. Okay. Yeah, I will try to provide one worksheet. You can try that is. Somewhat better. You can ask who are conducting people only those. I think so. Next class started. Please, we can discuss that later. Thank you very much. Next, sorry, but try this example. Next class is there here.